Hello everyone, welcome to GSW Growth Network. So we are teaching different type of tools and techniques in our programs, and so this class about the Microsoft Excel 90 days. Okay, so the day with Excel for 90 days, we'll be going to learn from basic to the advanced level, and you're seeing the screen. So it's a Microsoft Excel home screen. So I'm going to open as a blank sheet to start with the course. And in this class, the 90 days, we are going to cover from very basic level to the advanced level. Okay, because in the classes has the various type of students from the who doesn't know Excel from basics, and first time they're saying they want to learn it to start their careers as a data entry operator, as a professional life, and as a different type of work, and they may be best in their careers, but they doesn't know the Excel, and or they don't have the hands-on experience in the professional life. Okay, so who knows already certain things and they know the used to it in a daily work or the personal life, and stay with me, you will be getting in a different type of the usage or the different type of tools, how it will be used in your professional life. Okay, so now I'm covering from the basics. So this is the Excel. Once you open, you'll be seeing it in the this is the home page. Okay, so Excel base, you'll be having the ribbons. So this you'll be seeing the titles here: home, file, home, insert, page layouts, formulas, data, review, views, and help. And this is the tips. Okay, so this is called as in a ribbons. Each ribbon having the set of different type of tools, and you can see it in a small boxes inside this. So this is in a set of tools which will be used for same purposes. Okay, under the home, you'll be seeing in a copy paste formatting options, and then you'll be seeing a font. The font tool used to, I'll just explain it instead of saving it. Okay, I just typing something, just don't expect any meaning here. I'm just typing randomly something here and or some numbers, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm just selecting it by just holding the mouse to just to show you, and a little bit I'm zooming so you can see the changes here. Okay, this is called font. You can select the font, whichever font you wanted, as per your wish and as per your office need. Okay, so there'll be a lot of fonts are there, so you can just see it here and you can select the font whichever you wanted. Okay, I like this font Georgia. I am selecting here. I can see the sizes of this font. You can just whichever the size you wanted, you can select it here. Also, you can use this to increase the font size, and here also you can decrease the font size. Okay, this is called bold, and you can bold it. And if you once again you click, it will become unbold, and it's become Italy. You see the difference between this Italy and this is called underline. If you want to double underline, you just click on the small arrow. You can put us in a double underline here. If you just one click, it will remove. And this is called a boss bordering tool. You just click here and you can select whichever the border you wanted, left, right, or all borders, whatever you wanted. You can see the differences here. Okay, now I'm removing the borders. Also, I have to select and removing the borders here. Okay, no borders. Okay, and same way you can color completely, and or you can just want to change only the letters also can be possible. Okay, whichever color you wanted, you can just change it. Just click on the small arrow. You can see the colors, whichever you wanted to change it, you can just change it. Okay, same way in the font also, you can change the colors. Okay, that's how it will be used. And this is for alignment. I just make the cell as bigger so you can see the alignment clearly. Okay. So this is the top alignment, middle, low alignment. This is called left, right, and this is middle. Whichever you wanted, you can use it. And this is for the angle of the cells. Okay, whichever way you want it, you can angle it. Okay, whichever way you want it, you can just angle it. So this is called an angle. Vertical text one by one, formatting alignment. You just click and you can use it. Okay, I'm just doing this in an undo. So I'm just doing it back. Okay. And here you can see the numbering tool. You can just see the numbering tools. You can comma, you can use it, or accounting tool and general number formatting. Different types are there again, and this is for the decimals. You can put the decimals or you can remove the decimals by clicking here. Okay, and same way for the styles, font, all those things are there. Same way you can see it here. Insert button. Insert button you have called pivot functions and different type of charts, line chart, bar chart, pivot chart. Many charts are there. Slicers and page layouts. You can see it here. Different type of page layouts you can define it. Okay, what is the cell size, column size, what will be the height you wanted, everything can be fixed here. You can do the layout option. And formulas, you can see the structured way, different type of formula sets, logical formulas, and you can see the text formulas, and same way you can see it as a lookup formula, reference formula, date, time. Different type of formulas are here, and here it will be the date, and here you can, sorry, data, and this is a data formatting. Here will be here, or you can import data from the different sources. Okay, just get data from different places. Okay, from your other file you can bring the data to the Excel. Okay, from other Excel to this Excel, from Word to here, from website to here, anything is possible in Excel. Okay, review tab, you can put the comments for every cells, all the different type of reviews, and you can protect it. We can put a password, all those things you can use it here. This is a view tab. You can see the grid lines. If you just click and you can remove the lines if you want, you can see it. Formula bar, this, if you see the formula bar, you can see it here. Okay, this is called formula bar. Okay, you can just select one places, so you type it here, like I just put today's date. Okay, you can see the formula. You can type it here also, or you can type it here also. Directly you can type here also, that you can see it. You can see it here. Okay, if you want it, you can just, I'm just counting it, that's it. Okay, just to, don't concentrate on the formula, just I'm telling you this is how to type the formula. Okay, all the formulas will take it later. Okay, and if you remove the headings, headings will go, the alphabet and row columns are gone. You can add it also. Zoom in, zoom out, freezing, macros, you can record the function and you can reuse it in different places. These are all called as ribbons and the different type of set of tools. Structured way, put it in this one. And okay, this is called sheet. So now we are worked on sheet one. I need more sheet, so I can put sheet two. If I just click on plus symbol, sheet three, you can get it. You can double click on that. You can change the name of that, and I just put basics. Okay, name of the seat, or you can right click on this and just there is option for rename it. Okay, you can give whatever they wanted, you can rename it, anything you can do it. So this is how it will be. And this is called alphabets, called as in columns, and this is called as in rows. Okay, so the columns and rows are here, and this is called cells. Each box contains in a cells. Cells will be having an address. Okay, so address means, so I am place the cursor here. So this is a D column and fifth row, so it became a address here. So this is the name of this particular cell, we call as an address also. Okay, now you see I'm placing it here in G5. Okay, so this how you can navigate into the different places and to find out. And the file, you can use the file to create a new one more Excel file, to opening different files. Information, you can save it, save us to different file names, printing, sharing, all those things you can use it under the file. Okay, that's all. These are all the navigation option in the Excel files. In going forward in the next classes, we'll see in a different type of features and different type of uses of the Excel. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. If any doubt, anything you want to ask it, you can put it in the comment in the chat box, or if you're on a premium level, you'll be in a group, you'll be added to the group and you can ask there. Otherwise, no problem, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, everything I'll be answering it. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.